welcome back. Now it's time to begin with our today's EVS class. And before moving towards today's topic, what we have done in EVS in our previous class, can anyone tell me? Yes, we have learnt about yesterday in conversation क्या किया था हमने? What we have learnt about? I play with him, I eat with him, I like this and he like that. Yes, we have learnt about my best friend, where we have discussed who is our best friend, how, where they live, then what they eat, what they like to play with you, all these things, right? Now, today in EVS, we are going to begin a very interesting topic. A topic which is actually we are going to enjoy these days, like festivals, है ना? अब होली होती है, दिवाली होती है, then we have Raksha Bandhan. So all these are some special days. Special because we enjoy with our family. Special because we do something different on these days. Isn't it? Like for example, the first festival that we are going to understand today is Baisakhi. What is Baisakhi? See class, when we all feel hungry, we eat food. है ना? But ये food कहाँ से आता है? From where we get this food? We get it from farmers. जो हमारे farmers होते हैं, they grow the crops. है ना? तो जो बैसाखी होती है, that is called the harvesting festival of our country. और इस दिन क्या होता है? जितने भी farmers होते हैं, they go to their farms, they go to their farms and what they do? They cut the crop. जो crop होती है, वो बिल्कुल ready हो जाती है and they cut it and then we go to market, we buy that and we eat that for the whole year. So this is a very important festival of our country because on this day all the farmers, they go and cut the crops and this crop is used by each and every person of the country. Okay, now the second festival that we are going to learn about is Raksha Bandhan. So you can identify what is this? This is dhol. What happens when people go to their farm now? They do lot of bhangra and they dance and they enjoy that day. So I have made a dhol here. Now we have Raksha Bandhan. You remember we have done an activity also when this festival was there. So what we do on Raksha Bandhan? Come on, tell me. Yes, we tie राखी. जो girls होती है वो अपने brother के wrist पे राखी tie करती हैं and फिर उनको sweets खिलाती हैं और brother उनको promise करते हैं. What promise? That they will protect the sister. Okay? Now, after Raksha Bandhan we have Hathi Ghoda Palki Jai Kanhaiya Lal Ki. Yes, I am talking about Janmashtami. So what is Janmashtami famous for? Why we celebrate it? It is celebrated as birthday of Lord Krishna. Very good. तो जन्माष्टमी पे क्या हुआ था? भगवान कृष्ण का जन्म हुआ था और भगवान कृष्ण को क्या पसंद है? माखन मिश्री, isn't it? तो आज हम क्या करेंगे? Today we are going to learn something more about these three festivals. And after this, you are also going to do one beautiful activity in your fun sheet book. So your homework will be fun sheet book. Page number 36. Okay. So page number 36. I'll show you what you have. a photo of Krishna crown here. So this is the photograph of Krishna crown. You are going to decorate it beautifully. Okay, so this is your homework. But before that, let's move ahead and see some pictures of these festivals and understand them little better. Okay? So class, now let's see and understand about different festivals of India. You know there are two types of festivals, national festivals and religious festivals. नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं जो पूरी कंट्री सेलिब्रेट करती है एक साथ, एंड रिलीजियस इज विच इज सेलिब्रेटेड बाय द पीपल ऑफ डिफरेंट रिलीजन. सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट बैसाखी, रक्षाबंधन एंड जन्माष्टमी. सो लेट्स बिगिन. नाउ सी दिस Baisakhi, the harvesting festival of our country. People in the state of Punjab and Haryana, what they do? They grow lot of crops. इस तरह से वो क्या करते हैं? अपने खेतों में crops उगाते हैं. पूरे साल वो इतनी मेहनत करते हैं. They do lot of efforts so that we can have best quality of wheat grains. Clear? Then comes the Baisakhi day, and when the Baisakhi comes, what happen? They all dance with joy. See, they all are doing bhangra with lot of dhol, isn't it? So they all dance with joy, and with dancing they go to their fields. वो अपने खेतों में जाते हैं, and what they do? They cut the crops. Can you see? Some of them they cut manually with their hands. Some of them are using machines. Nowadays machines are used to cut the crops, and this is why Baisakhi is called the harvesting festival. Harvesting मतलब जब हमारे खेत तैयार होते हैं, लहरा रहे होते हैं, and we cut the crops. जो भी crops होती हैं हम उन्हें cut करते हैं. Can you see? कितने अच्छे से देखो सारी ग्रेन्स रेडी हैं. दिस मैन इज सीइंग कि ये वो चेक कर रहा है हाउ द ग्रेन्स आर रेडी. नाउ इट्स टाइम टू कट देम बिकॉज इट्स बैसाखी. क्लियर? आफ्टर बैसाखी नेक्स्ट वी हैव इज रक्षाबंधन. सो व्हाट इज रक्षाबंधन? जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड विद द नेम. रक्षा मतलब किसी को प्रोटेक्ट करना, और बंधन मतलब आप वो प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए प्रॉमिस करना. आप उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे हो. दिस इज अ प्रॉमिस यू हैव डन. सो रक्षाबंधन इज व्हेन ब्रदर प्रॉमिस हिज सिस्टर कि वो हमेशा उसको प्रोटेक्ट करेगा, उसकी हेल्प करेगा. नाउ सी सिस्टर, शी इज टाइंग राखी ऑन हिज ब्रदर, ऑन हर ब्रदर्स हैंड, इजंट इट? एंड व्हाट वी डू on Raksha Bandhan? We keep rakhi, sweets and all these things in our plate. तिलक रखते हैं, isn't it? दिया होता है, हम दिया जलाते हैं, अपने ब्रदर को तिलक करते हैं, फिर राखी बांधते हैं और उन्हें स्वीट्स खिलाते हैं. Isn't it like that? So why we celebrate Raksha Bandhan? Raksha Bandhan is a festival on which brother promise his sister कि sister I will always protect you. कोई भी आपको परेशान करेगा, I'll protect you. I will never let you get harmed. आपको कभी परेशान नहीं होने दूंगा, कभी कोई आपको दुखी नहीं करेगा. Is that clear? Now after Raksha Bandhan next we have is Janmashtami. So Janmashtami is birth of Lord Krishna. क्या हुआ था इस दिन? भगवान श्री कृष्ण का जन्म हुआ था. एंड यू नो कान्हा जी बहुत नटखट थे. ही वॉज वेरी नटोरियस. सबको परेशान करते थे. नॉट ओनली परेशान, ही यूज टू प्ले विद एवरीवन. ओके. एंड व्हाट ही यूज टू लव ईटिंग? lot of makhan. Can you see? He is sitting with a pot of butter. Here, can you see him eating lot of butter? आपको पता है उनको क्या पसंद था? बांसुरी बजाना. So this is the बांसुरी, flute. कान्हा जी बहुत अच्छी फ्लूट बजाते थे और उनको फ्लूट बजाना पसंद था. जब भी वो फ्लूट बजाते थे, नियर बाय में जो भी एनिमल्स या लोग रहते थे वो उनकी फ्लूट सुनकर सब काम भूल जाते थे और सिर्फ उनकी फ्लूट सुनते रहते थे. कैन यू सी दीज काउस? कान्हा जी को काऊ बहुत पसंद है. वो हमेशा काऊ के साथ खेलते थे. क्यों? क्योंकि काऊ से उनको मिल्क मिलता था, उनको बटर मिलता था. तो वो क्या कहते थे? काऊ कौन है? शी इज़ लाइक आवर मदर. वो हमें पीने के लिए कितना अच्छा दूध देती हैं, उस दूध से हम बटर बनाते हैं. इज़न्ट इट? सो कान्हा जी ऑलवेज लव काउस. Understood? So the three festivals that we have done is Baisakhi, the harvesting festival of our country. Then Raksha Bandhan, a bond of love between brother and sister. And Janmashtami as birthday of Lord Shri Krishna. Okay? Hope you all have understood. Okay then. Bye all. Take care. And don't forget that you have to do page number 36 of your fun sheet book today. Bye-bye. Take care.